Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to be making this beautiful twisted hairband that you saw on my thumbnail. So I got my inspiration from this particular picture that I saw on Pinterest. So guys, for you to make this particular hairband, you'll be needing a fabric that is stretching. Even if it's a little bit stretchy, you'll be needing it, and you don't even need up to a half yard of a fabric. Just need a little fabric. I use your remaining fabric to make this hairband. So the length I'll be working with is 7 inches, like how wide I want mine to be. It will be 7 inches, so that when I fold it, I'll be having 3.5 inches on fold. So that is, I'll just go ahead and mark 7 inches for the width. Now the longness of this hairband, I'll be using 20 inches. I measured the round of my head and I minus 1 inches from it because the fabric was stretchy. You can just go ahead and measure the circumference of your head and minus something from it to use it to form your hair band, or you can just go ahead and use 20 inches. This fits for many head. Like you can use that one to fit many, that one can fit into many head. So I'll just go ahead and cut this out. So guys, I'm done. I'll be dropping the remaining fabric. So this is the only thing, this is the amount of fabric that we'll be needing for this hairband. So I'll go ahead and fold it like this. I'll be folding it like this, and I'll be making a stitch at that part. So just go ahead and fold in your right side. See, the fabric is stretchy and you make a stitch. So I'm done making that stitch. I'll go ahead and bring it out like this. And once I bring this out like this, I'll just go ahead and arrange it so that I can give it a nice press so that it will relax. Make sure you iron yours as well. Just go ahead and give it a very nice press. So guys, I'm just making sure that I iron it very well so that it will look nice. And while ironing it, make sure that that line at the center is being placed very well on the center of this hairband. So guys, once I was done ironing this is what it's looking like. See the center part, that line there, and the back part. So I'll be showing you guys how to go about folding it. So the part that has a line will be, you'll be folding it out. As you can see me how I did mine, just go ahead and fold yours like that. Bring those two edge out, making it matching that line at the center. You'll be bringing one of this side like this, you'll be folding it inside like this. Then you'll be bringing the other side also to do it the same way. So just go ahead and pin that. So I'll be taking this side at the back. You saw how I'm doing it. So I'll just go ahead and make sure that I arrange it very well, and I'll be pinning it, and I'll be taking it to my sewing machine to hold it down. So this is it. So I'm done holding it down. So you have to cut out the excess because you want this to be as tiny as possible, like the excess on it to be very tiny. So just go ahead and cut it. Those edge, you also cut out the edge so that you don't have much excess there. Once I'm done doing this, I'll go ahead and bring it out for you to see how it is looking. So this is how it's going to be looking. You make sure that the part that is being stitched is inside, and the part that is smooth is outside. See how the hairband is looking. So guys, this particular hairband is being sold in my area for 1000 naira. Just imagine if you can make this many and you sell them, you can make a lot of money from it. And you can use half yard of fabric to make up to 5 to 6 of this particular type of hairband. You can see I have this one that I made before. See, it's looking beautiful. The both of them are looking so nice and beautiful. So thank you guys for watching and remain blessed, and please do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Give the video a thumbs up. I have other videos like this on my channel. Thank you.